afternoon, students. Today I am going to teach about our earth. This is the first chapter in 9th class of studies. Now I want to start the first session, that is introduction. Meaning of the earth. The word earth is derived from the Greek word earth, E-O-R-T-H-E, earth, which means ground, soil and dry land. This is the meaning of the earth. Indian language also have multiple words for earth. Sanskrit terms include Dharani, Avani, Prithvi, etc. Human beings arrived on this earth 1 lakh years ago. He was seen earth as a storehouse of resources. That's why he was used the natural resources abundantly. He was using the natural resources abundantly for his development. Initially, human beings lead their life as a nomadas. They were lead their life as a hunter-gatherer. Nomada means people, those who are moving from one place to another place for their livelihood. Nowadays, human beings are leading sedentary life. They are producing the food grains. In the process of economic development, human beings exploited the natural resources. He was build the dams for the purpose of constructing the dams. Human beings cleared the forests. They were used the natural resources, mineral resources. They were built the cities. They were built the industries. Due to the industrialization, environment was polluted because of the releasing the poisonous gases into the air, releasing the polluted water into the rivers and oceans. Nowadays, human beings are realizing to protect the environment. In this chapter, we will study about the interaction between the environment and human beings. Nowadays, governments also encouraging the people to follow the environmental measures to protect the environment. Government encouraging the people to use the organic manure. Here you will learn two new words. They are fallacy, which means mistake. Tiny pixel means the smallest unit of an image. Children, once open your textbook, see page number 1, picture 1.1 in your textbook. Under the picture, Carl Sagan was given his opinion about the earth and human beings. Now I am going to read. Follow that. Carl Sagan, a scientist, pointed out that all of human history has happened on that tiny pixel shown here inside a yellow circle, which is our only home, Earth. This photo taken from the space is known as pale blue dot. This photo was taken from the space. Here, yellow circle shows Earth. Yellow circle shows the history of the Earth. Under the inside of the yellow circle, there is a tiny pixel, means a small dot is there that is not appear to see clearly. Yellow circle shows the history of the Earth. Tiny pixel shows the history of the human beings. As per the Carl Sagan, human history on this earth is very little. Thank you all of you children. Now today You read page number 1 from the textbook, that is the homework. Thank you all of you. Have a nice day.